ओम मायाकल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डधीगोचरः मिथ्याबन्धविदूननेन परमानन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। What is Brahma Jnana, Itar Jnana, Abadhyam? Somebody can explain.
Apart from Brahma Jnanam, nothing else can establish Vyavaharik Satta.
That part we discuss. Somebody.
Brahma Jnanam, Itara Jnanam is also Brahma.
Brahma Jnana, Itar Jnana is Brahma. Brahma Jnana, Itar Jnana, Abadhyam is Brahma.
Yes, Swami. Abadhyam is Brahma.
Why?
Because this Vyavaharika, it can get Badita, but Brahma will not get Badita. It is Traikala Abadita.
So?
So, Brahma Jnana, Itara Jnana is Dvaita Jnana or Vyavaharika Jnana. With that Jnana, something that is not negated. So, with Vyavaharika Jnana or Dvaita, any kind of Dvaita Jnana, it can be Dvaita Prama or Dvaita Brahma. With that, something that is not Badhya, that is Brahma Jnana, Itara Jnana Abadhya. So that is Brahma.
Brahma Jnana, Itara Jnana, Abadhya. Vidvaita Brahma.
Brahma Jnana, Itara Jnana, for example, if we take Dvaita Jnana, right? So that is Brahma Jnana, Itara Jnana, or Prapancha Jnana. So that Jnana cannot do Badha of Brahma. That Jnana will just give me Jnana of Dvaita.
Can that Jnana do Badha of Vyavaharik Prapancha?
No, it cannot. Only Brahma Jnana will do Badha of Vyavaharik Prapancha. So it is not Brahma Jnana, Itara Jnana. It is Brahma Jnana which will do Badha of Vyavaharik Prapancha.
So last time this discussion was there on page 390. Fourth line from the bottom. Brahma Jnana Itara Abadhyatva Rupa Vyavaharikattvasya. Brahma Jnana Itara Abadhyatva. रूप व्यावहारिकस्य व्यावहारिकत्वस्य बाध्या बाध्य साधारणस्य ब्रह्म ज्ञान इतर अबाध्यत्व रूप व्यावहारिक एंड सो व्यावहारिक सत्ता इज ब्रह्म ज्ञान इतर अबाध्य. ब्रह्म ज्ञान इतर मीन्स यू टेक इट एज रज्जु ज्ञान. रज्जु ज्ञान इज ब्रह्म ज्ञान इतर ज्ञान.
Yes.
Yes. रज्जु ज्ञानेन अबाध्यत्वम is व्यावहारिक सत्वम. रज्जु ज्ञानेन अबाध्य is घट, पट, rajju, all of them. But rajju jnanena badhya will be sarpa. So brahma jnana itara abadhya is all other jnana, ghata jnana, pata jnana, etc., which is not pratibhasika. Brahma jnana itara abadhyatva is non-pratibhasika. So this is clear. Brahma jnana itara abadhyatva is vyavaharika. This lakshana will go in Brahma or not? This is the next question. So if I make this lakshana in this way, Brahma jnana itara jnana abadhyatve sati abadhyatvam. Brahma jnana itara abadhyatvam means Brahma jnana itara jnana abadhyatve sati abadhyatvam. Abadhyatva lakshana will go in Brahma. So Brahma is actually Brahma jnana itara means Rajju jnana abadhya. Rajju jnana is Brahma jnana itara jnana and Brahma is Rajju jnana abadhya. Brahma is Shukti jnana abadhya. Brahma is any jnana abadhya. So lakshana will go in Brahma or not?
Yes.
Yes.
So when you have to explain in this way. Brahma jnana itara abadhya means that which is abadhya by any jnana. So that is ever abadhya. So lakshana will go in Brahma also. That's why it is badhya, abadhya, sadharana. Lakshana will go in vyavaharika prapancha, which is otherwise badhya. But lakshana will also go in Brahma, which is never badhya, ever abadhya. That was that one line. Then rest of the part we have seen. 391, second line. Nacha रूप्यादि अध्यासे दोषादीनाम अधिष्ठान समसत्ताकत्वम दृष्टम इति इहापि तथा इति वाच्यम. In rupya adhyasa, rupya means the silver. In that adhyasa, shukti is the adhisthana. And what is the dosha? Dosha is the chakachikya in the, no, that is, if you say that is sadrishyam, normally that is considered as chakachikya, which is sadrishyam. Kacha kamaladi, you can take it as dosha. Kacha kamala is vyavaharika. Some dosha is there in the eyes, cataract like. So any shining thing looks similar, so you think it is silver like that. So adhisthana satta, which is shukti, and kachakamala the dosha satta is vyavaharika. Adhisthana and kachakamala the dosha satta, they have samasattakatvam. That is drishtam. Iha api, Purvapakshi says here also, because Jagat is avidya karyam. And the dosha is avidya. If you take Brahma as the adhishthanam and avidya as the dosha, then avidya should have samana satta as Brahma. This is Purvapakshi's argument. So this is the anumanam of Purvapakshi. प्रपंच अध्यास जनकः अविद्यादि दोषः. This is paksha. प्रपंच अध्यास जनक अविद्यादि दोषः. अधिष्ठान सत्ताकः. His sadhya is, it has the same satta as adhishthanam. दोषत्वात्. रूप्य अध्यास जनक दोषवत्. रूप्य अध्यास जनक दोष, it has doshatvam, it has adhisthana sattakatvam. Adhisthana satta means shukti satta. So kachakamala dosha, chakachikya also sometimes you can take it as dosha, or sometimes they take it as sadrishya, the shining part. So because of that, there is this Bhranti. So Purvapakshi says avidya and Brahma, they should have same satta. Means Brahma will become Vyavaharika. So Siddhanti says no. Iti nacha vachyam. Sadharmya samajati uttaratvat. This is a jati uttara. This is called asad jati. You remember what is jati? Do you remember that there was one word called jati in Kiranavali?
Yes.
अनेकेषु एकम् अनुगतं समवेतम्.
Ekam anekesu anugatam.
No, that is very, very well known jati, definitely. Like what we say, ghatatva jati in ghata, in all ghata, gotva jati in all go. Not that. Anywhere else you heard or remember jati shabda? I think you didn't register it. In Kiranavali, jati badhaka sangra. Not that. In Kiranavali, at the end, when we were discussing, where it was said, Vaisheshikas have accepted 7 prameya, but Naiyayikas have accepted 16 prameyas. So what about the other prameya? So it was said there is antarbhava of all the other prameya. In that, all the doshas which were listed, jati is one of them. And I had mentioned about this jati. It is called asaduttara. This is a wrong way of showing sadharmya. That's why the Siddhanti says sadharmya samajati uttaratvat. Like how I was mentioning, between an ant and an elephant also you can say sadharmya is there. That sadharmya you cannot use as hetu, because that is not proving vyapti. It's a dosha. That person does not know how to do this vyapti and hetu, or this person is trying to play the trick. If someone says, Shabdo anityaha kritakatvat ghatavat. Shabda is anitya because it is created, or karyatvat ghatavat. This is good anumanam. This is sadhetu. Someone will give contradicting anumana, let us say. Shabdo nityaha. So Chaitra proved Shabdo anityaha. मैत्र से शब्दो नित्य है. Why नित्य है? स्पर्श शून्यत्वात् आत्मवत्. Atma is sparsha shunya and Atma is nitya. Shabda is also sparsha shunya, therefore Shabda is nitya. There is no vyapti like this. This is called asaduttar. You need anvay vyapti, you need vyatireka vyapti. You don't have this. This is called jati uttar. So, साधर्म्य समझाति उत्तरत्वात्. This is a dushta प्रक्रिया. Anumanam is dosha. So if you are saying both of them have doshatva, let's say Chaitra is 5 feet tall, Maitra is 7.5 feet tall. So I say Chaitraha is 7.5 feet tall, Lambaha, Manushyatvat, Maitravat. There is no Vyapti. Sadrishya is there. This is also Manushya, that is also Manushya. That is not enough. So doshatva sadharmya is not enough. Avidya dosha will not have samana satta as Brahma adhishthanam. This is first response by Siddhanti. Now he further modifies his answer. Vastutastu सर्वत्र चैतन्यस्य एव अधिष्ठानत्वेन कुत्रापि दोषादीनाम अधिष्ठान समसत्ताकत्व अभावात्. He says in case of Jagat we say Brahma is adhishthanam, but you said in case of Shukti Rupya, you said Shukti is adhishthanam and it has samana satta with Chakachikya. Actually Shukti is not adhishthanam. Shukti avachinna chaitanya is adhishthanam. So vastu tatstu sarvatra chaitanya alone is adhishthanam. Bhranti is not in Shukti. Bhranti is in Shukti avachinna chaitanya. So then never ever there will be dosha having samana satta with adhisthana. Doshadinam adhisthana samasattakatva kutrapi abhavat. Never ever this will be there. न च बाधक ज्ञानम सत्यमेव वक्तव्यम अन्यथा बाद परंपरया अन्यथा बाद परंपरया अनवस्थापत्तेः. This is the next point now. Those who are studying Advaita Siddhi properly, thoroughly, whether during the class or offline, whoever, then they should have this. Each nacha block is going to be one bullet point. So next is this one. Purvapaksha says, Badhaka jnanam satyameva vaktavyam. You should say that jnana which will do badha is real. Like Rajju Jnanam will do Bada of Sarpa. So Rajju Jnanam is Satyam. Then only it can do Bada of Sarpa. Like that, Brahmakar Vritti has to be Satya. Then only it can do Bada of Jagat. Yes. Because if this we saw last time. If Brahmakar Vritti itself is Mithya, it cannot do Bada of anything. If it is Satyam, you will have two Satya, Brahma and Brahmakar Vritti. And if you say Brahmakar Vritti is Mithya, Then who will do Bada of Brahmakar Vritti? You need another Vritti to do Bada of Brahmakar Vritti. That other Vritti will be Badita by next, which will be Badita by next. So you will have Anyatha Bada Paramparaya Anavastha Pattehe. There will be Anavastha. So instead of saying Brahmakar Vritti is Mithya, you should accept Brahmakar Vritti is Satya. Iti nacha bhajya. वेदांत वाक्य जन्य चरम चित्त वृत्तेः कतक रजो न्यायेन स्वपर बाधकतया अनवस्थाया अभावात्. वेदांत वाक्य जन्य चरम चित्त वृत्ति, ब्रह्माकार वृत्ति, which is चरम चित्त वृत्ति, means in the beginning also you start having brahmakar vritti, but that vritti is not yet capable of doing Badha of Jagat. So it is the ultimate Brahmakar Vritti, which is actually should be called as Brahmakar Vritti. All the previous Vrittis, they are like practice sessions. The final counts. Practice matches don't count like that. Vedanta Vakya Janya Charama Chitta Vritti, that Chitta Vritti Kataka Rajo Nyayena Swapara Badhakataya Anavasthaya Abhavat. There is Kataka Raja Nyaya. Rutva Jnanam Swayam Nashet Jalam Katakarenu Vat. What is the first line?
Ajnana kalusham jivam jnanabhyasad vinirmalam.
Ajnana Kalusham Jivam Jnana Pyasad Vinirmalam. So it will do Badha of itself also. Brahmakar Vritti will do Badha of Jagat and will do Badha of itself. This is called Swapara Nirvahaka. It will do Nirvaha of both. Purva Pakshi will ask, how it will do Nirvaha of both? Drishyatva Matrena Yugapat Krishna Badha Sambhavat. Drishyatva is there in both. Drishyatva is in Jagat, Drishyatva is in Brahmakar Vritti. So, Drishyatva Hetu will make both of them Mithya. Yugapat Krishna Badha. Simultaneously, everything, total negation of all can take place. Nahi guhayam na shabda iti shabdaha swam na nishedati. If someone says, Guhayam na shabda, so you go in some cave, let's say in Gangotri, Guhayam na shabda. In the cave, there is no sound, no word. Which shabda is not there? The shabda that I uttered in the form of shabda, Guhayam na shabda. That shabda is not there, or other than that, other shabda is not there.
Other than that, other Shabda is not there.
Both are there.
So here what he is saying is that when I say Guhayam na shabda, even this shabda should be negated. If I say this shabda that I uttered, you have to keep, because I said it. Only other shabdas, no. Like we go somewhere in the forest, for example, it is so quiet. And I say, see, it is so quiet, and I say it out loud. Then it is not quiet anymore. So shabda is there. And if I say, no, it includes both shabdas, that shabda and this shabda also, then only the vakya will become true. That Guhayam na shabda. So, nahi Guhayam na shabda iti shabdaha swam na nishedati. मीन्स गुहायां न शब्द इति शब्दः स्वम अपि निषेधति. When I say there is no sound in the cave, means this sound is also not there. What I am saying means I don't say actually. What is meant here is I just think in my mind. There is no sound. So it will do nishedha of itself and it will do nishedha of other shabdas. Anyatha, swasya svena anishede tavapi anavasthapattihi. If swasya svena anishedha, if it does not do nishedha of itself, then if I say, there used to be some such joke, you know. There was a play or something where everyone was asked to stay maunam. So somebody goes and says, remember, we all have to be in maunam. So he broke his maunam. So the other person said, don't you remember we have to be in maunam? Why are you saying anything? So now that fellow also broke the maunam. Like that, somebody telling someone. One person didn't say anything. After 10 minutes, and everybody became falsified, then that person said, see, I never said anything. How smart I am. And that person also broke his maunam. So this shabda has to be negated. Everyone has to negate. Swasya svena nisheda should happen. Swasya svena anishede tavapi anavasthapatti. You will also have anavastha dosha. Not only that, shabda matra nisheda anubhav virodhasya. Shabda matra nisheda. When we say atra shabdo nasti, means you are doing shabda matra nisheda. That anubhava is what you are expecting. And if you don't do nisheda of this shabda also, then shabda matra nisheda anubhava virodha will happen. So you have to negate that. In the same way, Brahmakar vritti will negate itself also because it has drishyatva. This is the main idea. यद्यपि बाधक ज्ञानम वृत्ति उपरक्त चैतन्य रूपम स्वतः सत्यमेव. बाधक ज्ञानम वृत्ति उपरक्त चैतन्य रूपम स्वतः सत्यमेव. So that jnanam which is going to negate is not the vritti, it is vritti uparakta, means upahita chaitanya. And therefore that chaitanyatvena it is satyam. Swataha satyameva. Tathapi. Because just like how we said, for adhishthana, it is not rajju, it is rajju avachinna chaitanya. In the same way, in the vritti, it is not vritti, it is vritti avachinna chaitanya, which will do the badha, nisheda of mithya vastu. So chaitanyatvena it is satyam only. Tathapi. Tad avachedikaya vrittehe drishyattvena mithyatvat badha upapattihi. But that avachedika vritti is drishya. Therefore, vritti will be negated. Chaitanya aspect of that is not negated. Nanu bandhasya atyanta bhava pratiyogitva rupa mithyatve tad abhavartham yatno na syat. This is the next tarka, Panchama tarka. Chaturtha is over. Bandhasya, Purvapaksha says bandha is atyanta bhava pratiyogi. Means that which is not present. That kind of mithyatva it is. Atyanta bhava pratiyogitva rupa mithyatve tad abhavartham yatno na syat. Nobody needs to put forth any efforts for its abhava. Why? Because it is not there. Atyanta asadhyatvat. Not only that, atyanta bhava is asadhya. See, bandha, this is another point. It is traikalika atyanta bhava. Paramarthikatvena traikalika atyanta bhava. You say vyavaharikatvena, it is there. And atyanta bhava is not sadhya. Anything that is sadhya is karmajanya. It is anitya. So something which is sadhya will be anitya. Therefore, it should be siddha only. Atyanta bhava should already be there. Jnanam is not going to create atyanta bhava. Atyanta bhavasya asadhyatvat. Atayeva na tat pratiti abhavartham api yatnah. And therefore, for the pratiti abhava, for the experiential abhava also, I don't have to put forth the effort. Why? Tasyapi mithyatva. Pratiti is also mithya. Bandha is mithya. Bandha pratiti also is mithya. So why should we put forth effort for moksha? Why do you say pratiti is also mithya? He says anyatha mokshe api bandha pratitya tad dashayam api pratibhasika bandha apatat. This is Purva Paksha thinking, okay? This is slightly weak argument by Purva Paksha. He says, in moksha kala, if I have bandha pratiti, not bandha, only illusion of bandha, then that vishaya of that bandha should exist to give me pratiti. Let it be pratibhasika. But that vishaya has to exist. Anyatha mokshe api bandha pratitya. If bandha pratiti is there, tad dashayam api, in that time, pratibhasika bandha apatat. Pratibhasika bandha will be there. Atha paramarthikatva akarena mithyatvam. Therefore, mithyatvam is paramarthikatva akarena mithyatvam. Swarupena tu nivritti hi eva. Swarupatah bandha is nivritta only. Paramarthikatvena mithya, swarupatah non-existent. Swarupatah means by itself. From its own standpoint, non-existing. From Brahma standpoint, mithya. If Siddhanti says na, that only na is there between two commas. Swarupena tu nivritti eva. Siddhanti will say na. Purvapakshi says tasyaha swarupa abhadena api upapattehe iti chet. Siddhanti will say prapancha is swarupatah not mithya. Paramarthikatvena mithya. And therefore, swarupatah you will have to negate, for which you will have to put forth effort. Purvapakshi says, no, you can't say that. Why? Because tasyaha swarupa abadhena api upapattehe. Its swarupa, even if you don't do badha, its nivritti, atyanta bhava, is already accomplished because it's not there. Iti chet. Up to this, we will elaborate further. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद् व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।